Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how we can create a ABAP program in SAP. First give the T code SE38. Give a name to the program. For example, I am giving the name as ZPRG1. Create. Give a title. In the type, choose executable program, status, test program, and just save it. Here choose local object. I have already copied the program. You can write down the program over here. Okay, I have already copied the program. I am pasting it over here. Now go to more, go to the program option, activate it. First activate it, then again more, program, execute, and direct processing or F8. You can see this is the output of the program. This is a simple method how we can do ABAP programming in SAP. You can contact me for installing SAP IDES EC6 and SAP S4 HANA on your PC or server or network or cloud, or set up your own SAP server on internet. It will contain master data, lifetime validity year 9999, ABAP developer key. You can do the ABAP programming and FIORI in it. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.